Now, next point, the surface of liquid which wets the wall of container. Surface of liquid which wets the wall of container is horizontal. Now, why it happens like this? The liquid which wets the wall of container has adhesive force and cohesive forces due to all the liquid molecule. This I have drawn a bisector of that circle. If I draw imaginary circle, its resultant falls on the wall of container. So FA becomes same as FC. Or if I resolve this into two parts, then we can also write, if this is FC, these are two components, FC by root 2, FC by root 2. And this is adhesive force FA. So FA is FC by root 2. Magnitude of FA, FC are same, or we can say these horizontal forces are balancing each other. So surface of liquid which wets the wall of container, FA equals to FC upon root 2 you can take. So that resultant lies on the surface and resultant lies on the wall of container, and for equilibrium surface becomes horizontal. In case of liquid which partially wets the wall of container, in case of liquid which partially wets the wall of container, FA, this is FC by root 2. So FA is greater than FC by root 2. Because FA is greater, then this resultant so then FC, so resultant lies outside. So surface creeps upward, so the tangent drawn at the point of contact becomes perpendicular to the tangent for equilibrium. So if surface is horizontal, FA is equals to FC by root 2. If surface is concave, where partially wets the wall of container, surface becomes concave and FA is greater than FC by root 2. Just draw the diagram and write full statements. Theoretical MCQs they can ask. Diagram completed.
Yes, sir.
Third case, in case of liquid which does not wets the wall of container, Fa is less than Fc by root 2. That means if I draw the diagram, this is Fa, this is Fc by root 2. Fa is less than Fc by root 2, or we can say Fa is less than Fc also. So resultant of these two will lie inside. So surface creeps downward at the edges so that tangent is perpendicular to the resultant for equilibrium. Third case clear? Copy it. अभिषेक का अपना कल का रेट क्या आपने दिया था आपने? अभी कितना है? अच्छा 868 ना, तो एक बार ना अपन थोड़ा निकालने की कोशिश करके फिर नीचे कर लेते हैं, मुझे लगता है जाएगा। तो या तो उतने पे रखो 915। यस कंप्लीटेड ना?
Yes, sir.
Now there are three types of liquid: completely wetting, partially wetting. Completely wetting is like water. Completely wetting. This is kerosene, which is partially wetting. So in this case, surface is horizontal. Here it is concave, convex. If I draw mercury not wetting, if I draw tangent at the point of contact, tangent at the point of contact, in this case, angle made by tangent to the wall of container is 0. Here this angle is less than 90, that is acute. Here the angle is greater than 90, that is obtuse. These angles are called as angle of contact. The angle between tangent and wall of container, tangent and wall of container, actually tangent drawn at point of contact and wall of container measured within the liquid is called as angle of contact. It lies between 0 and 180 degree. It is 0 for liquid completely wetting wall of container. Third, it is acute for liquid not wetting wall of container. It is acute for liquid partially wetting wall of container. Okay, just write this much, space is not there. Draw this diagram to understand angle of contact concept, and then write definition between angle between tangent drawn at point of contact and wall of container measured within the liquid is called as angle of contact. Written full?
Done, sir.
Fourth point, angle of contact is obtuse for liquid which does not wets the wall of container. Does not wets the wall of container. Fifth, it increases with increase in temperature. It increases with increase in temperature. There exists excess pressure on concave side of liquid surface. Then excess pressure inside a soap bubble or air drop, soap bubble or liquid, just write excess pressure inside soap bubble is given by internal pressure minus external pressure 4T by R. R is radius of curvature. See, whenever bubble, then it will become 4T. When it is drop, then it will be 2T. Excess just copy this one. Hello? So 1920, 1920, 23, 27, 28 निकालना है. हाँ उसका 23, 28. हाँ ये निकाल दो. 27, 28 सुना नहीं पड़ता है क्या? 19, 20, 23, 27, 28. ये 5 सम निकाल के उसके अंदर दूसरा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड काटा. इसमें पोटेंशियल वर्ड आया, बोला था आपको पोटेंशियल नहीं है, बाकी सब परफेक्ट है. Excess pressure inside liquid drop is 2T by R. Written full.
Yes, sir.
In case of air drop or air bubble, answer remains same for excess pressure. Excess pressure inside air bubble or air drop is same, which is 2T by R, because it is filled with air. Only one surface is in contact with air. Then height of liquid column in capillary tube is given by 2T cos theta upon R rho G. Angle of contact for water, take theta is 0 degree. Angle of contact for mercury, comma theta is 120 degree, unless until they give. Okay. 135.
सर हाइट के फॉर्मूले में स्मॉल r is the radius of capillary tube or the
I'm ready.
sphere.
Sphere? Where is sphere here?
सर वो सरफेस लिक्विड सरफेस का रेडियस
Radius of capillary. It's written for
Yes, sir.
now, if this is capillary tube and this is liquid surface, if I assume it to be forming one complete circle, this is radius of capillary tube R, this is radius of curvature, this is angle of contact here theta, so this will be 90 minus theta, this will become theta. So we get right angle triangle, hypotenuse R, adjacent side theta. So I can say cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So radius of curvature of liquid is always given by R upon cos theta, where R is radius of capillary tube, theta is angle of contact. Right? This draw diagram and then write. It's drawn, na? This one and written. Hello, written this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose this is capillary tube. Here we take it in container. If liquid rises up to height h in the capillary tube, and if the tube is inclined by making angle theta with horizontal, this vertical distance will remain same, that means height. So they can ask you what is length of the liquid in the capillary tube. So I can say sine theta, but remember theta is angle made with horizontal. It is not angle of contact. So it is opposite side upon L. Therefore L will be h upon sine theta. If calculated height of liquid column is greater than available height. That means if height is 10 centimeter of in the capillary tube is of height 10, but calculation से 12 आ गया. So if calculated height of liquid column is greater than available height, then liquid reaches at top and stops. It never falls. So sometimes they can say if the capillary tube is of 10 centimeter, height of liquid column can rise up to 20. What will happen to the liquid? Will it overflow? No. It will come up to the top level and stop. Right. हाँ हाँ तो भी चलेगा बराबर यस हाँ हाँ यस 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 बराबर 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 हाँ हाँ बराबर तो हाँ हाँ बराबर। तो अ, रखते हैं क्या नीचे स्टॉप लॉस को समझा समझा रिस्क कवर हो जाएगा ना अपना तो 30 पे रखते हैं ना फिर 30 का रखते हैं स्टॉप लॉस अच्छा 915 देते हैं अच्छा 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 तो रुक जाते हैं जैसे ही आएगा 900 ये 930 तभी उस पर रख देते हैं अभी तो 28 हो गए अच्छा हाँ तो ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है yes written this also written
Yes, sir.
next point C effect of impurities. See, there are two types of impurities. First, completely soluble like salt, and second, partially soluble like phenol. See, whenever we mix salt, it tries to कलर्ड कपड़ा रहेगा ना ऐसा कॉटन वाला तो हम लोग को टेलर बोलता है इसको एक बार नमक के पानी में भिगा के रखना so when you soak it in the salt water then it will cling all the pigments मतलब पकड़ लेगा so I've remembered like this completely soluble it will pull the particles that means surface tension will increase if it is partially soluble like phenol which we use for cleaning the floors to clean the floor when you put this phenol it should loosen the dirt मतलब surface tension कम करेगा so that we can wipe out easily so surface tension will decrease then effect of temperature when temperature will increase automatically the liquid will leave the surface so surface tension decreases with increase in temperature at boiling point at boiling point surface tension becomes zero at boiling point okay just copy till this one last formula we have to write of surface tension with respect to temperature 15th point. Formula for surface tension at higher temperature. 15th. Surface tension T at any temperature is T naught 1 minus alpha theta. Here T naught is surface tension at 0 degrees Celsius. Theta is change in temperature. And alpha is constant, depends upon nature of liquid. Depends upon nature of liquid. Yes, written everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This completes all mechanical properties of fluid का synopsis. Now just open the sheet which I have sent. Mechanical properties of fluid. फर्स्ट वाला थोड़ा डेंजरस है, मेरा एक इजी वाला करता हूँ आपके लिए. 1 second. Come to 60th, easiest of all. 60th. 60. Can you tell the answer? एक liner है. In fact, one word. Hello, can you tell the answer of 60?
Energy.
Directly energy, correct. What is pressure head in Bernoulli's principle? That is question number 62. Pressure head.
Option B.
Option B, correct. Option B, perfect. Easy वाला करा है एकदम. 82. 8 equal drops of water are falling through air with constant speed of 10. If the drops combine to form single big drop, then what is terminal velocity? Very, very important sum. 82 important sum has been asked in the exam. 8 drops combines to give one big drop. What is velocity if small drop is falling with 10? When it combines in single drop, we'll have what velocity? 8 drop are falling in air with velocity of 10. So whenever it is drop droplet sum, I had told relation of volume पे आ जाना पड़ेगा. 8 into 4 by 3 pi r cube is 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. So 2 times r is capital R. Now terminal velocity formula is v equals to 2 r square g upon 9 eta rho minus rho 0. This rho is for drop and this rho 0 is for the fluid diameter. So v of small upon v of large will be radius of small upon radius of large. Rest all will get cancelled because density of water is same whether it is drop or droplet. Small is 10, large we want, r upon radius capital R is 2r. So it will become 20, velocity of large 20.
सर r square होगा.
R squares. Squares 40. Option. Many times it has been asked in the exam. Written now? Hello, completed?
Yes, sir.
So that's all for today. Tomorrow I will start from problem number 1. Try to complete at least in 25.